A, B, C, D, E, F, G, la 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 la. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, la 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 la. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, la la la. V, W, X, Y, Z, la la la. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, la 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 la. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, la 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 la. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, la la la. V, W, X, Y, Z, la la la.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Bhavna. Well, this video is pertaining to the mothers who are really struggling with their toddlers while teaching them the different sounds of the letters. I hope this video will help you out. So this is A. A says apple, alligator. Let's do it together. Apple, alligator. Wonderful. Now this is B. B says ball, bus. Let's do it together. Ball, bus. Good job. Now this is C. C says car, cat. Let's do it together. Car, cat. Good job. Now this is D. D says dog, duck. Let's do it together. Dog, duck. Good job. Now this is E. And E says elephant, elbow. Let's do it together. Elephant, elbow. Good job. Now this is F. F says fish, flower. Let's do it once again. Fish, flower. Very good. Now this is G. G says gorilla, grapes. Let's do it once again. Gorilla, grapes. Very good. Now this is H. H says hat, hot. Let's do it once again. Hat, hot. Good job. Now this is I. I says iguana, itchy. Let's repeat once again. Iguana, itchy. Very good. And now this is J. J says jump, jellyfish. Very good. Let's do it once again. Jump, jellyfish. Superb. Now this is K. K says kangaroo, key. Let's say it once again. Kangaroo, key. Very good. Now this is L. And L says lion, lemon. Let's do it once again. You have to touch your tongue with your upper lip. Lion, lemon. Very good. Now this is M. M says monkey, mouse. Let's do it once again. Monkey, mouse. Very good. Now this is N. N says nose, noodles. Let's repeat once again. Nose, noodles. Good job. Now this is letter O. O says octopus, ostrich. Let's do it once again. Octopus, ostrich. Very good. Now this is letter P. And P says pencil, piano. Let's repeat once again. Pencil, piano. Very good. Now this is letter Q, and Q says queen, quiet. Let's do it once again. Queen, quiet. Very good going. Now this is letter R. R says rabbit, rocket. Let's do it once again. Rabbit, rocket. Very good. This is letter S. S says snake, spider. Let's do it once again. Snake, spider. Very good job. Now this is letter T, and T says train, telephone. Let's do it once again. Train, telephone. Very good. Now this is letter U, and U says umbrella, up. Let's do it once again. Umbrella, up. Very nice. Now this is letter V, and V says violin, volcano. Let's do it once again. Violin, volcano. Very good. Now this is W, and W says watch, window. Let's repeat once again. Watch, window. Very good. Now this is letter X, and X says fox, box. Let's repeat once again. Fox, box. Very good. Now this is Y. Y says yo-yo, yummy. Let's repeat once again. Yo-yo, yummy. Very good. Now this is letter Z, and Z says zebra, zipper. Let's repeat once again. Zebra, zipper. Very good. So that's the end of all the sounds of the letters. But just few simple tips I want to give. Don't ever get confused between the sound of letter A and letter E, because few letters are very naughty and the sounds are also very similar. So don't get confused, parents. A says ah, where you're going to open your mouth wide. Ah. And when you're talking about E, so you just don't need to open your mouth too wide. It's simple. Eh. Okay. And the letters C and K. C and K has the same sound. C also says K, and letter K also says K. So please don't get confused, and don't you even confuse your child. Let them learn like this at this stage. And also the letter V and W. They both also have more or less the same sound. Letter V says V, and letter W says W. When you are talking about the sound of letter W, you just have to make your mouth little round. W. Okay, so I hope this will going to help you out and make your task easy. Thank you so much, and stay connected.